What do you think will happen if NNAMDI Kanu fails to open his defense?
He's trying to put the government in a very difficult situation, you know, and his new friend, Shore, they have a game plan. And today, Shore wrote, even before, it's like predicting what will happen, that he knows that, there is an orchestrated plan to put him in jail, either life sentence or death sentence.
All right, depending on your time zone and your location. Ahead of MAZI NNAMDI Kanu 20th of October's court resumption, it will update from social media not trendy, like the discussion in this particular video interview. Credit to TVC News for this video. So actually, I'm going to watch the video. They were actually discussing the possible outcome of what is going to play out in courts come October 20th. I think 10 days or 9 days from now. So and previously, their hidden agenda, their plan, which is they are planning on sentencing MAZI NNAMDI Kanu. So if I would the cooked plan, already revealed so many weeks ago. So in this particular interview, just with an open mind, they may be saying things that you may not like in this video or things you might like. So if I know I know I will tell you. So if I deal with most of these videos, we couldn't keep record and couldn't now focus the opinion of some people about this MAZI NNAMDI Kanu's case. So the video is self-explanatory. I'll play it for you guys to watch from beginning to the end. And with a lot of things, how could this particular video concerning MAZI NNAMDI Kanu and possibly what will play out on October 20th. In came to go to shop now. Or more sure, I'm just sentencing MAZI NNAMDI Kanu like that without actually looking into MAZI NNAMDI Kanu's objections, looking into MAZI NNAMDI Kanu's pains. Some of the things he has been commenting on. Regarding the law, backing the charges against him. So I want you guys to watch the video. What these gentlemen were actually discussing regarding that court sitting that is forthcoming very soon. It will be next week, if I'm not mistaken. So, that a whole lot of things came in the last court. A whole lot of things and drama will still unfold. Man, so many people are skeptical now. What is actually going to happen? What will happen? If you made that day, you understand? A whole lot of people are beginning to ask questions. So we'll just watch this video. Okay, look what some of the opinion of these people. Everybody has his or her own opinion. So, but my own is that Haman Jelly MAZI NNAMDI Kanu. That day, to me, what I'm saying, I got to something else. I get to go with another adjournment. That is what I'm sure of. So their main aim is to continue keeping MAZI NNAMDI Kanu. Until they come up with something that they will actually, So watch the video, share your thoughts and your opinion, and also do well to share this video. Like it, bring it to my audience and my followers money making opportunities. Same with this platform. It's a trading platform called YouTrading. About this platform, I say it with so much conviction because this platform over the years have proven that they are transparent. So YouTrading, you can go ahead and make your research about YouTrading before actually coming to inquire more about it from me. So in my video gameplay after this video concerning YouTrading and what it is all about. YouTrading is a platform where your capitals and funds are in your possession, in your exchange with some of these crypto wallets and or maybe Binance or Bybit. So your money, your capital will be there while the YouTrading bot connects with your exchange and runs trade for you.
That one you get more profit. Jagorina stopped.
YouTrading is a very legit platform. All you need is your capital in your exchange, then the money for your UGAS. This UGAS varies from level to level. And with UGAS of $100, then we hire UGAS and kind of a co-brain strategy. This co-brain strategy is automated where you make massive profit, but that level, the UGAS for that level is $540. In that level, you are making crazy printing of USDT. You can have printable, and your capital must be $1,200 or $500. So co-brain strategy is for what it means to be in crypto. So there is massive profit there, and they use what is called stop loss and low risk management. You don't expose much of your capital to the market, making your money safe in your wallet. So if we'll more about that YouTrading in the next video that will play. If you're much interested, then we number there. Chat the number. The number will bring you to the person that will guide you and lead you. Tell you more details and more information on what you need to know and hear about YouTrading. See you guys.
Justice delayed may test patience, but justice denied destroys trust. The lingering case of the detained leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, of NNAMDI Kanu took another turn when the Federal High Court in Abuja granted him till the 5th of November to defend himself against terrorism-related charges. Kanu, however, maintained that he has no case to answer and called for his immediate release from detention. At the resumed hearing, his legal counsel argued that the charges lacked substance and violated his constitutional rights. The prosecution, on the other hand, urged the court to compel Kanu to enter his defense, emphasizing the seriousness of the allegations. The courtroom atmosphere reflected the weight of the case that has gripped national and international attention. Biko, the judge has advised NNAMDI Kanu that this is his last chance to defend himself. What do you think NNAMDI Kanu should do at this time?
I don't know what's going through his mind, but a man who is not a trained lawyer, who is an economist, sending away his lawyers, including the great Kanu Agabi, sending them packing and saying that he wanted to defend himself. Okay, when that opportunity that came, he reeled out a long list of
witnesses,
potential witnesses, including an old man like T.Y. Danjuma, Wike, Sanwo-Olu, and all that. It was mere drama. The next time they came to court, he then said, okay, I'm not even defending myself anymore. This court has no jurisdiction to try me. Free me instead. Release me without delay. And what was he pointing at? He was pointing at the judgment of the appeal court that the Supreme Court had already voided. The appeal court said, release him. You brought him to Nigeria illegally and all that. Without him going through an extradition trial against international best practices. Fine. But the Supreme Court had already ruled on the matter. How do you then go back, citing the same matter that had been decided as one of your grounds upon which you are asking to be released? That decision had been overturned. It's just like Natasha claiming that she won a case in court when in her heart she knew she was deceiving herself. We don't need this. And even lawyers, even some of the lawyers that most of the time we know them, they don't say the truth. They go on TV to turn law on its head. Some of those notorious lawyers have even admitted that in the grand scheme of things, if he does not defend himself, they will enter judgment against him. And that's what the judge said. The judge has been patient. The judge said, okay, I'm giving you up till so date. Open your defense. Because if you don't open your defense, the prosecution's case.
Yes.
What the prosecution said in court will be used as your own defense. That means you have no defense to come up with. So the case of the opposition, the opposition canvassed in court, will then be used to enter judgment. So the judge, look at what the judge is saying. Let me read just briefly. If it does not, we had adjourned till today for the defendant to put in his defense or be deemed closed. But I'm bound to give him another opportunity to put in his defense. If he does not, I will deem him closed. I know that he's an economist and not a lawyer. I will give the last opportunity to the defendant to put in his defense. Failure which he will be deemed closed. That was just before Judge Omotosho adjourned the matter to November 7. But Awumolo San has been saying, look, court, close this matter. Because he had failed to enter a defense, having spent 5 of the 6 days allotted to him by the court to conduct his defense. So it is clear what the law says. The court will not bend the law.
Yes.
Because a particular individual is facing trial. No, the court will not do that. What happens in a case like this is that the judge will announce the date that will give judgment. And
the judge has been fair.
Yeah. He's been very fair. Let's face it, not many judges have this kind of patience.
Exactly. What do you think will happen if NNAMDI Kanu fails to open his defense?
Is trying to put the government in a very difficult situation. You know, and his new friend, Shore, they have a game plan. And today, Shore wrote, even before, it's like predicting what will happen, that he knows that, there is an orchestrated plan to put him in jail, either life sentence or death sentence.
It's preempting the court.
It's trying to preempt the court. And you see, in a situation where the government has closed its case, of course, it's the government that brought a case against you, treasonable felony and some other stuff, and terrorism. Now you are saying that a court had ruled that you should be freed, and that number two, you admitted that you actually committed those offenses, but not on Nigerian soil. You are admitting that you committed an offense, but the offense you committed was about what? Telling your guys in Nigeria to burn down police stations, to kill people, inciting people, to behead people through broadcast media. Where you are broadcasting it from in UK, was it only limited to that place? People were listening to it all over the world, especially in Nigeria. So, in fact, I think one of the lawyers had to caution him, I think 3 court sittings ago, that is an admission of guilt. You needed to, you need to be careful. And that's what the judge also advised him 2 sittings ago, that Mr. NNAMDI Kanu, I will advise you to get a lawyer. I said, not even just a lawyer who understands criminal proceedings, because the case against you is criminal in nature.
True.
And criminal cases are very tricky. Now, you can't just say, I don't have anything to say. There's no case against you. No. The judge will rely on the
no case submission.
Yeah, non prosequi. Yeah.
It was different. There was a no case submission that he filed. There was a motion that failed.
Of course, that failed.
Before the same court. So some of those issues that he brought up in the no case submission that
were rejected,
that failed, he's still talking about them as his defense now.
Something that had been ruled on.
Like the matter of the medical report.
Okay.
He's saying that the medical report was fake. But that medical report was brought to court and admitted in evidence. Your lawyers didn't say it was fake. Your lawyers were there, they had the opportunity to say, no, we don't want this thing, it is fake.
But
they didn't do that.
Yeah.
Before their eyes, it was admitted in evidence. You don't expect the court to go back and look at that thing again. You are now pushing, you are now saying it was fake.
Okay, but anyway, is there still an avenue for a political solution? It's in court already.
See,
the point, his lawyers said they wanted to make peace.
Yes.
That was some months ago. But I don't think they succeeded with that, because Awomolo then told them that, look, I am a messenger. It is not in my place to determine to end this matter, to do an out-of-court settlement of this matter. It is the decision of the client.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and who hired Awomolo is the Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi. So it is Lateef Fagbemi and others in the higher echelons of this administration who can say, okay, having interfaced with NNAMDI Kanu's lawyers, having observed this demonstrable remorse, we want to settle this matter out of court. Courts are usually happy when judges are usually happy when you come up with that, because you are saving their time.
Exactly.
So, but there has not been any movement along that line. I don't think that the government was sufficiently pressured enough, or that they've seen signs that it is the best that they can do in the circumstances that they found themselves. So there was no movement. And for me, even if we are talking about the resolution of this matter out of court, which is what I would have wanted, there has to be conditions. I hear people say that it should be released unconditionally.
No.
What are you talking about?
No.
There has to be conditions. And now the Kanu himself to be ready to say, okay, I will give up my agitation, armed struggle against the Nigerian state, this and that. I take back all of what I have said.
No.
There has to be some conditions. They are not just simply going to release you like that. No.
Okay.
Saying that unconditional, people shouldn't listen to show, right?
Exactly.
Because he knows what he's doing. Unconditional release is not what anybody should contemplate.
Okay.
They have to sit down and say, okay, in the event of us settling this matter out of court, this and this will happen. And that way, the conversation begins and it may even end somewhere. But the way it is now, there's no such conversation on the table.
Okay.
This is a very legit platform where you invest and make massive profit for yourself. It is called U-Trading. U-Trading Abuho, a platform of today. U-Trading have been in existence for the past 2 to 3 years. It's in different countries, so many countries. It's even in your Play Store. It's everywhere. U-Trading Abuho platform today. But where so many people may get here wrong is knowing how to use it. Now, the criteria for joining U-Trading, in on my screen, this is the U-Trading app. This is the U-Trading app. And in this app, in this platform, your money is in your possession. It is not a Ponzi scheme where you pay in money to people's accounts and they are trading for you, or they tell you it is one trading, AI, again. No. This is a legit trading platform where your money, your funds are in your possession inside your Bybit. And then the U-Trading bot, that's what we call the U-Trading bot. It is down here. I don't know whether you can see my screen. The U-Trading bot here, you need to just get a UGAS. A minimum, the smallest UGAS in this platform is $100. So after purchasing your UGAS, then you fund your Bybit. If you fund your Bybit and then you unify it with your U-Trading app and the bot is trading for you, I'll teach you on how to run this trade if you are interested. But you must have at least smallest $100 for your U-Trading app, $100 to fund your account. This is the smallest investment too, and then your registration fee of $100. But I'm giving a 20% off of making it $80 registration fee to guide you in all this thing, in all the steps you need to know. I will train you, show you how it is done. It is very simple. As long as you pay attention and you can use your phone, and you can use your phone very well, you can be able to invest in this platform. You don't need to be anything. You don't need to be a learned person. As long as you can use your phone very well, you can actually trade on U-Trading. It is very simple. There's an AI bot that runs this trading for us. This is not Ponzi, where they tell you, you're going to account money. No. Your money is going to be funded inside your Bybit. So you need a Bybit account and your U-Trading account. And then I'll unify the both of them for you, show you how it is done. After registering you, coach you, guide you, and then show you how it is done. With your $100 investment, you can be making massive profit. I want to use a $50 investment to show you guys the profits this guy, if you look at here, you see profits. The profits this guy is making with a $50 investment. Just take a look at your screen. This is $16. This person made this profit from on 29. The person registered on 29. I don't know whether you can see my date here. On 29 of October. And today is 4. The person have made a total of $16. $16 plus with just a capital of $50. This is one of the smallest investments we have in this platform. I'll register you, add you up to the WhatsApp group where you'll be seeing other people who are massively printing dollars in this platform. So open him and if interested, look at this WhatsApp number on your screen. Chat me. You trade in Abuho Ponzi scheme. Abuho where you will invest your money into people's accounts. No. Your money is going to be in your Bybit account. So you see that your money is in your possession. All you need to fund in this U-Trading app is your U-Trading gas fee and then our registration fee that we'll use to teach you, guide you, and also teach you everything you need to know about this platform and how it works. So you're going to be printing massively. That's your side money. You got hit in a bank, anything, or you got it is time to start investing. Saving money cannot save you, but investing your money rightly can actually save you. So this is a very, very legit platform where your money works for you while you are sleeping. The trading is running 24 hours. After each trade, you set and launch another trade that will continue. You understand? So, and every day your profit is dropping in your Bybit from your Bybit, you can now cash out your money to your local account or decide to camp it there. Bybit or Binance can actually work with this. You know, Bybit and Binance have bought a new app. These apps are where people keep millions and billions of dollars, and it has been there existing for years. So your money is in your possession, and this AI bot is working for you. So the number on your screen, send me a DM. I will guide you and teach you everything you need to know about the yield trading and how it works. The very sweet strategy we are using, you have no chance of losing your money at all. Every day it is win, 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 win. Because we go to the market, we look for coins that, as we go to the market, we look for coins that actually actually pumping or doing well. We look for those coins and then we trade on them. The coins that are doing well in the market, we look on them, we check on them, we short on them, or we long on them. So as long as the market keeps going, whether it's going higher or it's going low, you are making massive profit for yourself. So there's a very, 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 very obonge strategy that we are using in this app, and a lot of people who are in my WhatsApp group who have joined this platform are all testifying. So you trading is a life-changing opportunity. Utilize it now. Utilize it now. Strategize your 2026, because this year is already gone. And Obuna this year, you don't have any investment, you don't have any source of income. Apart from that, your business, you're supposed to have another source of income that you will add up to what you're doing, because you don't put all your eggs in one basket. So actually invest in you trading today, and you will see the massive testimony for yourself.